it all started out with an elder and birch bark dying in northern Wisconsin, and bringing awareness to our birch forest to the next generation that no longer remembered it, no longer used it.
The answer to our problem has always been right in front of our nose. It's our culture and it's our way of life. It's kept our people on this planet for thousands of years.
My other elder used a cord drill with power to make holes. Now in my time, I got cordless drills. Instead of using an awl, a bone awl or a steel awl, the hole is made better with a drill bit. So my elder told me that we're all part of evolution. His great-great-grandparents used stone tools. His great-grandparents used steel tools. He got to use brace and bit mechanical. Then he later seen power. Then what he was trying to tell me is that even though we're using modern tools, at the end of the day, it's still an Anishinaabe canoe. Why? Because Anishinaabe engineering and know-how built it, and hands built it. So the importance of how we're part of that evolution, Oshki Anishinaabe, how we still are, at the end of the day, it's still the same canoe. All natural materials. It's done using modern methods to do it. It doesn't make it in that much easier, just a little bit. All the work's still there.
There you go, that's it. Jeffrey's lifting it up nice and tight. That's good. That's great. Cool bend in there. Okay. Push down and against this fence. And I'm running it flat through. See? I got that started. And I keep running it until I achieve my flat side. See?
You ever see a master at work?
These are called oat whales. The reason I need that soaking is because we're going to be bending it. I need this piece of wood from here to here waterlogged, continually waterlogged. So as it dries out, this is what I want to be done with it. That's that part. So we can keep some water on it. Keep it wet. By knowing where you bend, you'll have a better understanding of where you're going in life. The Anishinaabe have been in these Great Lakes for a long time. It's our home, as well as this place that we come to from Waswaganing, the Lake of the Torch, Lac du Flambeau, Wisconsin. We come here in a good way to share this craft of the Anishinaabe. It's part of our great identity. These canoes carry culture. You can scratch out the most beautiful patterns on the sweet wells. Our history was kept on Birchbark and scrolls. We still keep it there today in our ceremony. It's our identity. It's who we are as Anishinaabe people. We came from the eastern seaboard, from the mouth of the St. Lawrence River, all the way to Madeline Island at Lake Superior. We didn't get there by foot. We lost the G-Mon, the superior technology. The reason Birchbark canoes are so awesome is that I can make a Birchbark canoe 68 pounds, okay? And I'm traveling throughout, say, northern Wisconsin, and it has 20,000 lakes, all right? Walk around the lake, it'll take you all day. But if I take my light canoe and I portage it up to that lake, drop it in, I'm gonna cross 9 miles and you're gonna walk 50.
this in the sheeting. So the ribs are about 1.25 inches thick. Then we gotta cut them down, measure them, cut them down. And then we gotta do all the sheeting in the inside. This is a done rib right here.
Oh, nice.
Feel that. And this is one of the planks. The inner side, this will go on the inside of it. These ribs are gonna hold it out.
Hey, hey. Hey, hey. Ho.
This is the top of the rib, okay? So what I need is just these ribs rounded like this, just a little bit on the top like this, so the rib looks like that.
Hey, hey. Ho. Hey, hey. Ho.
Today we're going to be putting this canoe in, and it's going to probably mark about, I don't know how long, at least maybe 400 years since birchbark has been put on this shore. It's been put in other places north of here, but not in this place.
You guys brothers? No. Made it way you are, though.
Just about.
That's all right, brothers. It's good, man.
Red line, brothers.
T-Rex found his ribs. Look at that stuff, man. Archaeology department.
The Anishinaabe means the human tribe. We're all part of the human tribe, no matter what race we are. And our message to the Great North is that it's about our grandmother, the Komasikimenon, our grandmother, the earth. And she takes care of us. Our feet touch her back every day. And they say in Anishinaabe, it's not good for us to walk on concrete all the time. Our feet are supposed to touch the earth every once in a while.
Push out of Push. Good. Right there is good.
We brought our canoe culture back, okay? So this is our identity. It's like I say, the light-skinned race has covered these canoes with aluminum, they've covered them with wood, canvas, everything. They've got superior material for the outside, but they haven't been able to improve on the shape of this canoe because it was given to us by spirits thousands of years ago as a gift. So this shape can't be improved upon because the supernatural gave it to us. Our grandmother isn't doing so well these days. We have problems with our water all over this country. Without clean water, Gawin b'manazi magasanun oma aking. Without clean water, we have no life. Without clean air, Gawin b'manazi magasanun oma aking. Without clean air, we have no life on this earth. Our message is wake up, human tribe, because grandmother needs you, and we all have to live in her. We all have to share her. She's a gift that was given to all of us, and it's all of our responsibility to do our part to make sure our grandmother is healthy for the ones who are not yet born yet, the 7 generations down the road. That's the way we think as Anishinaabe people. Tracks we put on the earth today will definitely affect them. So I try to tread very lightly, thinking of my descendants that are coming. was challenged as a boy by my grandmother. My grandfathers were written throughout history, and they were great men. They did great things for our tribe, our people. Our grandmother challenged us as young boys, and she said, your grandfathers are spoken about 300-400 years later, before the time of George Washington, she said. They're still spoken of. She goes, what I challenge you young boys, she said, is what will your great-grandchildren say about you? What will they be saying about you?
I don't know if that's
under there.
shiplap.
Shiplap?
Nah. That ain't right. It's gotta go under here.
Here?
Yeah.
My man.
Right.
My man.
Number 6.
He's reconnecting. I told him, I said, we left your land about 18,000 years ago. I said, we're reconnecting with our Asian our relatives.
In my life, I've been on this journey to learn as much of my culture as I possibly can in a good way. But not only that, and realize that it doesn't belong to me. It belongs to the ones that are not yet born, and it's our responsibility to carry it. Not to add anything to our customs, not to take anything away, but to keep it pure. That's the way we roll as Anishinaabe people. We respect all living things and all living people.
Grab it by the thwarts. Never grab it by the thwarts. Yeah. Follow me.
these canoe builds in different parts of the country, giving this back to the Anishinaabe, making sure that we never lose it. And all these different communities, we're treated very well, but we'll remember this one because we're a long ways away from home, and we feel like we're home. Miigwech. Let's get this baby in the water.